Here's the secret about Oracle Java licensing that Oracle doesn't want you to know. You probably don't even need it. We've helped over 100 organizations, some with Java installed on tens of thousands, even hundreds of thousands of PCs and servers, all convinced they had to pay Oracle. You know what they learned? They didn't. Java was installed everywhere when everyone thought it was free. Developers put it on servers, IT pushed it to desktops, no one tracked it. And now, Oracle knocks on your door and says, time to pay up. Here's the truth. Most companies can avoid buying a single subscription and avoid an audit if they know how to handle Oracle's tactics. We build the communication strategy that stops Oracle in its tracks, keeps your environment compliant, and saves you millions. So before you write Oracle a check for Java, talk to us. We'll show you how to avoid the trap, cut your risk, and never pay for licenses you don't need. Because the real secret, for most companies, Oracle Java is just a scare tactic, and we know how to beat it.